folks, we're here at Summernats 33 in Canberra. We're about to find out if the Americans can hold their own against the Aussies when it comes to burnouts.
That's the goal. Hello, Mark. Don't film me.
Hey.
How you going, man?
How you doing, brother?
In a while.
You look like you might have been in the burnouts a bit.
This guy is going to be the one to go up there and film a video and toast her right away.
It's on a live stream right now.
Shit.
So what are you telling people?
Well, we're here to let her rip, tater chip, do it for Dale, and all the above. Everything else you can think of, yeah.
What have you done? What is this? Fill me in.
3rd gen Camaro, the big block and the blower. That's all it needs.
What power?
What's in 1,000?
Have you done any skids yet?
No.
None?
Never tested the car.
You haven't tested
I did 2 like donuts outside my shop, and that's it. So this is the test of it. So. See how it goes.
Well, what do you actually have to do to win a burnout comp?
Tear shit up.
So there's some rules about popping tires, or you're just going to do whatever? And
No, there's rules. I mean, don't hit the wall, don't catch on fire, don't stop, don't let off the throttle.
Oh, well.
That's it.
Maybe you should have done a skid to test it.
Wish I had time, I would have.
All right. So how much of that smoke on the way into Canberra was you?
Oh, I'd like to say all of it, but on the way in, none. Now we're making good smoke. This is the smoke people want, so I don't. If you can make it hard to tell the fucking difference.
Well, this is Andy, the man behind Summernats.
Hello, I'm one of them. I'm the man behind the lady, behind the man, behind Mark. Hi.
Tell me what you want to know.
What is the wildcard entry, and how come this is so much different to the usual? And how do you actually judge a burnout?
Okay, judging first. Judging's broken up into 2 parts, driver skill and smoke. That's pretty simple. 50 points each, best score. Best score is 100. So it's out of 100. You get deductions for doing things wrong, like not popping your tyres, catching fire, hitting the wall, stopping. And you get 50 points maximum. He knows all about it. For driver skill, 50 points for smoke. You have to drive off the pad. You have to pop both tyres. If you don't, you're not going to get anywhere in this competition. So that's how you judge a burnout. The wild card, which is this bit right now, there's burnout masters that are already qualified, and there's 4 spots left to compete at the highest level on Saturday. And there's 4 spots left. So out of these 24 cars, the best 4 are going to compete with the best in the world on Saturday.
So there's a chance that they built this car and go home with nothing.
Oh, totally. And national shame and their tail between their legs. But he can drive, right? He can drive. He's assured me he can drive. They've built a really good car in a really short time frame. And I think they're going to do really well. We'll have to see. So pretty much at this level, if you do anything wrong, you're not winning.
Can I give a shout out to some friends? All right. Kyle Loftus, 1320. I know you're watching. Justin Keith, Chase Lautenbach, James Diesel, Chad Miller. I hope my mom's watching. You're gonna let her rip.
His mom's watching.
Not long now. And that was actually a pretty decent go for a first attempt. never been skidded before. Unfortunately, the tyres caught fire, which loses points, and then tapped the wall, and thirdly, he's actually blown that engine. Now I've heard that they're going to try and actually repair it overnight and see if we can get the car finished and back into the competition tomorrow.